Right now, XRP is walking a tightrope, and the $2 mark is seriously at risk. If you're watching the charts, you'll know things are tense. On the daily time frame, XRP has been hovering right around two key technical indicators, the 50-day and 100-day exponential moving averages, also known as the EMAs. These usually act like safety nets for the price, but at the moment, they're more like slippery ropes above a pit, and more on that in just a moment. BTCC is a crypto exchange that has been around for 13 years. There's no VPN or KYC needed to get started. You get access to over 300 cryptocurrencies and leverage up to 500x. Plus, there's bonuses such as the 10% deposit bonus when you use my referral link down in the description below. That's greatly appreciated if you do that. And also, you can get bonuses all the way up to $10,055. So if you want to research this more, or if you're ready to get started, you can find that link again down in the description below. Okay, so here's why it matters with the 50 and the 100 EMA. So the 50 EMA, when it crosses above the 100 EMA, that's called a golden cross. And it's a classic bullish signal. It usually tells traders that upward momentum is returning. XRP is getting close to forming that golden cross. And if it happens, it could be just the spark needed to push the price higher, maybe even past the current resistance level, which is right around $2.50. If the momentum continues, we could be looking at another run towards $3. And that sounds great, right? But here's the thing. It's far from guaranteed. Despite the technical setup, volume is low, which means any big price move in either direction could come with serious volatility. If XRP fails to hold those two EMAs, especially now when it's dancing so close to them, we could see a sharp drop. That would pull the price down below the $2 psychological support level. And for bullish traders who've been patiently waiting for a strong breakout, that would be a painful letdown. In fact, losing those moving averages wouldn't just be a bump in the road. It would be a big red flag. It would suggest that the midterm momentum is fizzling out, which could send XRP back to its next major support level right around $2.07. And worse still, it could spiral down to revisit some of the lowest prices we've seen this year. That's not the direction anyone's hoping for. So, what's the market sentiment saying? Oddly enough, it's still neutral. The RSI, which helps gauge whether an asset is overbought or oversold, it's sitting around 51. That's right in the middle. Not bullish, not bearish, but here's the catch. That neutral ground can disappear fast. If XRP drops below both EMAs, it could trigger a new wave of selling. And on the flip side, if that golden cross finally confirms, we might see a burst of buying activity. It's a real fork in the road moment for XRP. Traders and investors need to pay extra close attention right now. All eyes should be on those moving averages. They're the battleground where XRP's short-term future is being decided. We are in a make or break situation. Without confirmation of the golden cross, XRP could lose its grip on $2. And once that level is gone, it might stay out of reach for quite a while. It's worth noting that XRP has been fighting an uphill battle for momentum in general. The overall crypto market has been lacking in strong volume lately, which makes technical signals more fragile. That means patterns that normally inspire confidence, like the golden cross, could end up fizzling out unless buyers step in with real conviction. Okay, so what should you be watching? Well, the short list is the 50 and 100 EMA. They are the lifeline right now. The $2.50 resistance level, if XRP breaks through here with volume, it's a big deal. The RSI, a sharp move above 60 or below 40, it could confirm the next direction. And also keep an eye on volume. Without it, any breakout or breakdown is likely to be shaky. So, in summary, XRP is standing on a cliff edge. If the golden cross lands and holds, we could see a bullish revival that aims for $2.50 and possibly $3. But if the price slips below the moving averages, especially with volume still lagging, it could drop quickly, possibly back to $2.07 or lower. The next few days are going to be crucial. Whether you're a long-term holder or a short-term trader, this is one of those times where every candle counts. Keep your charts open, your alerts on, because XRP is about to make a big move. The only question is, which direction will it be? So let me know how you guys are feeling. Do you feel like we're going to see some more pullback, or do you think we're going to see that major big push? Me personally, just my own opinion, I'm still optimistic about things with XRP. All right, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And again, you can find that link to BTCC in the description. And also, I'm over on Blue Sky. We are at 36 followers, just 4 more to hit that next goal of 40. I'm at Crypto Atlas. Would love it if you guys could drop a follow there. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters as well as my YouTube members. God bless, guys, and we'll see you in the next episode.